Hi everyone, this is Ida from Retekess official website. Today I'm going to show you our TH103 security alarm motion sensor. And as you can see, there are adapter, and this is the receiver. This is the call button, a manual, and the screws for stable the receiver. And this is the sticker, and you can stick it on the call buttons. For this system, you can use it in the supermarket or the hospital and the warehouse. Of course, that you can use it in the home, such as in the toilet and for the orders. So if there is emergency call, and they can press the call buttons, and you will get the signal. Okay, I will show you how it works. Okay, I will connect the power and plug it on. Power it on. Yes, and when you buy the original set, there is one call button and one receiver, and they have paired again, and you just need to yes, as you can see, you just need to press this key, or you can pull the string. Yes, pull the string. I will cancel it and pull. As you can see, it is very easy to operate. They are very easy. Yeah, I can. And this, when you pull it again, and it will be yes. Okay, and now you can see that the promotion is light. Of course, that there is the beep, and how we can change it the promoted way. We can screw it on, and as you can see, there are the position. There is off beep, and this is mini, and this is max, and I will pull it as mini. Light with beep, and I will pull the string. Yes, there are 3 lights. It will be like this. This is a max power. As you can see, the beep is very loud in the max position, very loud. So you can use it in many places for the emergency call. And okay, so if you want to use it for your own business, just email us at support@retekess.com or visit our website. The model is TH103, and you can sort it and buy the models that you need. Okay, thanks for your time, and hope that this video will help you. So see you next time. Bye.